We need to work out the value of 1 over 9 plus 1 over 11 as a decimal. Well, I think the first thing to do is to write it as a fraction. So put it over a common denominator. It's going to be 11 over 99 plus 9 over 99, which is going to be 20 over 99. Now, the first thing to say is actually this is definitely going to be a recurring decimal because I'm divided by 99. There's no common factors going on. So the answer is going to be E because none of the others are recurring. That means it goes on forever, 0.202020 forever. Let's imagine we didn't have the option zone. We needed to work it out. We could do 99s into 20. Right, that doesn't go, but don't worry about it. Just now add a load of zeros and just keep on going. So it's going to be 99s into 200, which is, write down our times table, got 198. So it's going to be 2 and then remainder 2. So that's not going to go next, but now I can move the 20 across and you can see it's just going to now repeat. So we do in fact get this 0.20 recurring. I think that's the best way to do it. You could have instead written 1 over 9. You might know what this is, 0.111 goes on forever, 1 recurring. And it's less likely that you'll know 1 over 11. It's 0.090909. And you could actually add these ones up. Like if you did know these off the top of your head, then you probably don't know that one, but you could use this approach. Now remember, they go on forever, and it's not necessary that when you add them it'll go on forever, although often they will. But yeah, we can't be convinced by that. But let's just pick somewhere to start. So we know 1 plus 9 is going to give us something above 10, so I can carry the 1, and then I could do 1 plus 0 plus the 1, I'm going to get 2, and then I'm going to get 0, carry the 1, 2, and you can again see it coming out. So I'm not saying to use that approach, but it is, you can add recurring decimals is what I'm saying. You just have to be quite careful with them since they go on forever. It's just that there are patterns that will exist, especially for ones like this. In any case, that's the answer. There are approaches, of course, to convert recurring decimals to fractions. That's not being asked about here, but it's worth looking into that if you've never covered that topic.